Naranasan mo na ba yung parang hindi ka na yung dating ikaw, pero hindi mo rin alam kung sino ka ngayon? Let's talk about this today. Let me say this clearly. Hindi ka naliligaw. Nasa gitna ka lang. Sa growth, may phase talaga na hindi na sapat yung dating habits mo. Hindi ka na komportable sa dating mindset. Pero wala ka pang bagong identity na mahawakan. And that space, that uncomfortable middle, that's not failure. That's transition. Hindi lahat ng growth may kasamang clarity agad. Minsan may kasamang confusion. Minsan tahimik. Minsan parang walang direksyon. Pero real talk, hindi nawawala ang taong may intensyon. You're shedding old versions. You're unlearning survival modes. You're building something mas totoo. And oo, minsan nakakatakot. Pero ibig sabihin lang nun, hindi ka na bumabalik sa dati. Kaya ito ang 3 habits to ground ourselves while we're in between. 1. Slow down without quitting. Hindi lahat ng pahinga ay atraso. Minsan kailangan mong bumagal para hindi ka tuluyang mawala. 2. Anchor back to what's true. Sa gitna ng gulo, balikan mo. What do I value? What do I believe? Who am I becoming? 3. Trust the season you're in. Hindi lahat ng sagot ibinibigay agad. May mga bagay na inuunawa muna bago ipinaliwanag. Ito ang tandaan natin, hindi ka nawawala, hindi ka huli, hindi ka sirang tao. You're becoming. At minsan, ang pinaka-mature na move ay magpatuloy kahit hindi mo pa buo ang picture. Carry the season with grace, with faith, with hope.